Hello, friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel, DevOps with Anil. In last video, I had explained you guys that how to install Docker engine on Ubuntu operating system. Now, in this video, I'm going to talk about container. So, what is container? This is a standard definition of container. A container is a standard unit of software that packages up code and all its dependencies so the application runs quickly, reliable from one computing environment to another. A Docker container image is a lightweight, standalone, executable package of software that includes everything need to run an application: code, runtime, system tools, system libraries and settings. Let me explain you in simple words with example. Here is a scenario. We have a Java application developed in JDK 17 and for running it required Java 17 as runtime. Suppose when we are using VM to deploy our application from development environment to a production environment, we have a we were facing basically issue of Java environment. Sometimes what happen is that Java versioning of each VMs might be a differ, might be because of upgradation happen on development environment for some patching activity completed on development environment, but for production environment it is still waiting time for that patching activity and it is pending. So in development environment we have a different Java version and in production environment we have different Java version. Might be minor, might not be impact application whole, but it is not 100% guarantee that version is present on development environment is the same in a production environment. But in case of container, when we have a container image, that image is itself is a executable and executable in Docker engine, and Docker that image store all the s- store all its dependency, all the dependencies of application to run. Okay, so it is saying that it is very lightweight, standalone and executable package, so that software that include everything need to run an application: code, runtime, system tool, whatever system requirement, system libraries, whatever the system libraries, and the settings, everything whatever required in application to run, it is present on Docker images. And that image is responsible to move our application from development environment to a production environment without any versioning failure, without any setting failures to run that image. Okay, now we are talking about VM and container in here. But what exactly difference in VM and container? So in case of VM, where we are running on our VM, it is running on the top of hypervisor. And hypervisor is nothing, it is just an interface between our hardware system and our operating system. So it is a just interface to our operating system can interact with a hardware system, how much CPU is allocated to our VM. So hypervisor is the responsible to do that. But in case of Docker is not running on the top of hypervisor. It is running on the top of operating system. It is any type of operating system. Most of the operating system support Docker engine. So almost all of the operating system are supporting nowadays of Docker engine. So we need a Docker engine installed on operating system. that is responsible to run a Docker container. So Docker container is basically we can say the difference is it is running on uh, it required a Docker engine, and Docker engine is required to install on operating system. An operating system is required hypervisors to run on any virtual servers, virtual servers location data center, basically running on data center. Okay. Thanks you for watching. For more videos, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you.